So I'm on deck 11, room 500. This is a family ocean view room. So let me come on in here and see what it looks like. Again, this is Oasis of the Seas ship. It's a little older. It's gonna be updated, but currently this is what it looks like. So you walk in, you got a view of the front of the ship. Take a look out. This is Barcelona, by the way. Let's see how the room is. You got a couch that I believe pulls out. Yeah, it pulls out to a bunk. Got some extra space over there, so if you have extra kids, you'll be able to have them play and run around. This is really spacious. You have the TV. It's a typical TV that you find on cruise ships these days. Nice size mirror. Let me check this light. Your light comes on so you can see yourself. A sitting area. Got some storage. So this is the type of hair dryer. I'm not sure how well it works. Haven't tried it. Got a couple drawers. Store some things. In here you got your cooler. It's empty. But it's something you can put things in to cool it down. Alright. Over here. Some more storage. You can put some books, magazines if you bring that type of thing. I like this full length mirror. So when you're getting ready for formal night, you can check yourself out. Let's check out closet space. Alright, here's the first closet. Of course you have your security to lock things up if you want. Some more shelves. They give you some hangers. Not that many, so if you have a lot of clothes, you might want to bring your own. On the other side, you can actually fit a couple suitcases in here. A bunch of other things. A little hook. There's another closet in here. It's basically the same as the first closet, except it doesn't have the lock box. And all these are storage areas. And then you have some more hangers. And then this closet opens up from both sides. You can actually stuff some suitcases in here if you want to. There's a shelf if you need it. There's a light above the bed. A little shelf for some storage area. It's a nice sized bed. There's another light over here. Again, this is a, oops, turn the light back on. Older setup. Don't have USB ports over there, but if you're like me, you'll bring your extra cruise approved board to charge some things up. Let's check out the bathroom. Before that, I did say this was a family suite or a family room, ocean view. There are 2 additional bunk beds. Well, a bunk bed here. So if you have kids, small kids, they can sleep in it. Or some not so small kids can sleep in it. There's some lighting in there, which is cool. Plus this curtain that you can close to give you some privacy. So let's check out the bathroom. Like how they say, watch your step. I've gone to cruise rooms. This is the bathroom. It has a typical shower that you'll find on a Royal Caribbean. These 2 doors come out. Again, I like these more than just that other shower curtain that'll stick to your body. And I'm not little. This is a nice size bathroom. I can fit in here with extra room to wash. Alright, some towels. Storage area. Of course, we have that. Good storage. Yeah, a little trash can. I wouldn't store anything down there though. So that's the bathroom. I did notice this bathroom, the light is kind of dim in here, so that is a concern, but other than that, it's okay. Again, about this room, what I like about it, again, like I said before, it is rather spacious for just a ocean view, but you got this great front view. And again, this is room 11,500. It's at the front of the ship. And this is the Oasis of the Seas before they go into dry dock.